This 2017 Renegade CASCADIA DD13 is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Renegade is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, microwave, stovetop burner, slide-out, refrigerator, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front dinette, rear bath, rear kitchen. This 2017 Renegade CASCADIA DD13 is built on a Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.